At the time of their hatching, chicks range in development from helpless to independent. Depending on their species, helpless chicks are termed altricial, and tend to be born small, blind, immobile and naked. Chicks that are mobile and feathered upon hatching are termed precocial. Altricial chicks need help thermo-regulating and must be brooded for longer than precocial chicks. The young of many bird species do not precisely fit into either the precocial or altricial category, having some aspects of each and thus fall somewhere on an altricial-precocial spectrum. Chicks at neither extreme but favoring one or the other may be termed semi-precocial or semi-altricial. The length and nature of parental care varies widely amongst different orders and species. At one extreme, parental care in Megapodes ends at hatching. The newly hatched chick digs itself out of the nest mound without parental assistance and can fend for itself immediately. At the other extreme, many seabirds have extended periods of parental care, the longest being that of the great frigatebird, whose chicks take up to 6 months to fledge and are fed by the parents for up to an additional 14 months. The chick guard stage describes the period of breeding during which one of the adult birds is permanently present at the nest after chicks have hatched. The main purpose of the guard stage is to aid offspring to thermoregulate and protect them from predation. In some species, both parents care for nestlings and fledglings. In others, such care is the responsibility of only one sex. In some species, other members of the same species, usually close relatives of the breeding pair, such as offspring from previous broods, will help with the raising of the young. Such alloparenting is particularly common among the corvida, which includes such birds as the true crows, Australian magpie and fairy wrens, but has been observed in species as different as the rifleman and red kite. Among most groups of animals, male parental care is rare. In birds, however, it is quite common, more so than in any other vertebrate class. Although territory and nest site defense, incubation, and chick feeding are often shared tasks, there is sometimes a division of labor in which one mate undertakes all or most of a particular duty. The point at which chicks fledge varies dramatically. The chicks of the Synthleberamphus murrelets, like the ancient murrelet, leave the nest the night after they hatch, following their parents out to sea, where they are raised away from terrestrial predators. Some other species, such as ducks, move their chicks away from the nest at an early age. In most species, chicks leave the nest just before, or soon after, they are able to fly. The amount of parental care after fledging varies. Albatross chicks leave the nest on their own and receive no further help, while other species continue some supplementary feeding after fledging. Chicks may also follow their parents during their first migration.